So for the culture, I really want to thank you because this is going to turn out to be a hostile environment. Because initially when I heard spirituality, Garifuna, and Catholicism, first thing I said, this is oil and water, they don't mix. But you know, after giving it much thought and hearing what the panelists are saying, I now know that Garifuna and Catholicism and everybody else who's seeking spirituality, that's the end result. And the only difference here, and correct me if I'm wrong, Garifuna seeking spirituality through our culture, our religion, is our way to spirituality, is basically through our ancestors. And that's why I guess we venerate our ancestors. Now, seeking this same spirituality through the Catholic Church, you seek it through different sources, different veneration of saints and the Mother of God, and that way, but the result, what we want, is the same. So I want us maybe to forget our differences here, the things that are not the same, but because we can start a point where it is the same, and the same thing, and what we want is at the end we want spirituality. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikki. I wanted to say I always put God first, and I also believe in the power of my Garifuna ancestors. What I wanted to also say is what pretty much raises my eyebrow in terms of Garifuna spirituality is that there are many people who claim that they are Buyei or whatnot, but they are not doing anything. They're just sabotaging people's lives. I think that's what brings about many misconceptions about Garifuna spirituality, because when someone gets ill or whatnot and you seek advisement from a spiritualist or a so-called Buyei, and that person doesn't even like help you, and it just really makes me, it gets me upset. I feel like people are pretty much trying to hide behind the term Buyei, and yeah, it's for monetary gain. I know firsthand because I've had my experience when I took ill 6 years ago. And my mom asked Buyei, well, what is wrong with my daughter? Which is me. I was the one who was sick. I was sick. The person couldn't even give my mom an answer. So my mom went to somebody else. Same thing. Until there was one person that pretty much stepped up and sought me out individually. They were able to take care of the issue.
Ye bugaba gire liga dei padina. Ye hale buga lagaw ni hoa lo megi.
And it wasn't that I was, that my family needed to have a chugu or a dügü. It was just something different, but that wasn't needed.
Nono timage buga laga megi lo buga jone chugu o dügü. Murusu buga sama pakate megi obe.
So, pretty much, I just want to say that's pretty much my understanding. I know firsthand that there are people out there that are not who they say they are. And I just say people need to be aware.
Você tem razão de não logo lila logo franta na nyanyi la moto nyenyi tima mama e ma ligia hapana pe kibuye mosto ali ma hoe.
Nikki, I'm talking to you, but I'm talking to everyone else. That is the reason why people have to be careful where they go. La dula Buyei pia, mafu iluta bokutin, eya hatani clients. Mona hatuya message homnia bala Buyei ta. La dula aba Buyei asalwele hachendo le mutu tudiyo, subudi tari lo ayante na mutu. So, mama ta hatuya Buyei ulagida lisensu. Mama ya hatuya chuta, ugani nubali lisensu ichi kahomba majina bali, haibiti ya kumanya kala le bebe lao kamu lo hafa maduka kumai ngai muni ya reti kwa le kile tigeni kwa selema inupungi la selo kwa nyuni nikipia o ye nia ba pare wao te nu bari ba ita tanto sei sunu nalari ha la tava boye subudi titu subudi digelu ani dumbe binti dusu se tempo right here and then but haduna manara ugele ni bayo de license na afa ko ma wo ko pa so duni inari na so ba ya one for instant so ba ya uti bungi 5 senses wrong mama must we yedu mama de must chula bao mabuso kilichwa high school ni college da ulu uti bungi bu lao ba ko ya lao 5 senses nyote luguti kutebela de escola ugwa ina babi lao bufure ligeli mama ko wadia oni lo ko boy uge oni lo ko boy na daga ni na ni yen uge video tip ko no ita no bala I didn't think that I was going to be this way, that I was going to be kama mabuso mumuti ndio kudeme ndio ko ila miss yeni no masufri sufri tepata kale kuiba andale wari ne wagirge asufure na andale wari ne wagirge yake hasenso asta hon chutao da hare ku chutao moya o masengo milu fiado ni nyida tanichi ke tutumaga nyida tanichi ke tumerege badala la chindo hapa ora ligia dutula garifuna hiladi hidi tu garifuna dale hafu dunyige aba hichu kuriba hili kwa wani noy ali haumaya hapo kwa ila da nyai
I have one story to share. What a lot of people don't know about me is that I was born deaf. And when I came here as a little girl when I was 4 years old, my parents brought me here